Hi guys, in this video I would like us to look at what it takes to pass WAEC and JAMB as far as number basis is concerned. So we're going to be going through a whole lot of WAEC likely questions and JAMB questions, alright? Converting from base 2 to base 10, from base 10 to base 2, and from one base to another, and the kind of questions that they usually bring. So follow me as we do a whole lot of questions here under this. You're welcome. Now let's have a look at this. Express each of the following as a decimal number. Right. When you look at a question like this, it means between 1 and 0 is in base 2, because the rule is each of these digits cannot be equal or bigger than the base. So the numbers that involve 0 and 1, they are in base 2. Alright. We are converting this to decimal number, that is to base 10. All you need to do is expand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Expand this way. 1 plus 2 raised to power 3 in this form. 1 times 2 raised to power 2. Then for 0, you're still going to come back to 0, so there's no need. You have bracket 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Alright, this is equal to 2 raised to power 4, means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. 16 times 1 is 16, plus 2 raised to power 3, 8 times 1, 8, plus 2 raised to power 2, 4 times 1, 4, plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So what do we have here? We have 16 plus 8 plus 4 and plus 1. That gives us 29 in base 10. That's the answer. Out of this, example number 2, we have usual 0, 1, 2, 3. So expanded form, 2 times the base raised to the power plus 3 times the base raised to the power plus 1 times 5, which is the base, or 1, plus 4 times the base of 0. Here, 3 raised to power 5 raised to power 3, it means 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, times is 2, gives you 250, plus 5 raised to power 2 is 25 times 3, that gives us 75, plus 5 raised to power 1 is 5 times 1, 5, plus 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power of 0 is 1 times 4. That is 4. Add up what we have here. That gives us 75, 5, 4. Add up. This is 14. Carry 1. Add 1 here. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 in base 10. Yeah, in base 10. Yeah, question number 3. How do I express this as decimal? That is to base 10. Right? We have this 1101.111. On base 2, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right? This is equals to, yes, for the whole number, so negative number, decimal is negative power. 1 times 2 to base 3 plus 1 times 2 to base 2 plus 1 times 2 to base 0 plus 1 times 2 to base minus 1 plus 1 times 2 minus 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 3, right? 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 1, 8 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 4 plus 2 raised to the power 0, 8 raised to the power 0 is 1, 1 times 1, 1, plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 over 2, plus this is 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. Remember, in indices, if you have x raised to the power minus 1, it's 1 over x. The minus there becomes 1 of them. Out of this, what we have here, this is 12, 13. We are out of 13. Now, plus, what's the LCM here? 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. What's the LCM here? The LCM here is 8. So, I have 13 whole number, 8 on here, 2 into 8, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1. Final answer will be 13 whole number, 7 over 8. You can also write this in decimal form. It's all the same thing. Express 147 as a bisemal. When you hear bi, it means you're converting to base 2. So this is already in base 10. Alright. Remember 2 here, 2, we're converting to base 2. 2, 7, 2 here, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, carry 1, is 6, minus 1, 2, 1, 8, no remainder, 2, 9, no remainder, 2, 4, we have remainder 1, 2, 2, no remainder, 2, 1, no remainder, we have 2, 0, 1. Arrange it from bottom to top, right? So, therefore, we can say that 147 base 10 will give us 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. Right, so 5. All right, solution. We have given that 1 to 1 in base 4 is equals to k in base 3. How do you find k? Convert everything you have here. 0, 1, convert it to base 10. The same process. Okay, all right, in base 3. Yeah, leave k there, convert this. 4. We have 1 times 4 to base 2 plus 2 times 4 to base 1 plus 1 times 4 to base 0. Yes, is equals to k in base 3. Now, 4 raised to the power 2 is 16 times 1. 16 plus 4 raised to the power 1 4 times is 8 plus 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1. 1 is equals to k. Remember that k is in base 3. So what do I have here? I have 24. This is 25 in base 10, which is equals to k in base 3. All right. This does not add up. So convert this to base 3. That will become the value of k. So now k, we have 25 converted to base 3. 3 here into 8 into 25, 8 remainder 1. 3 is 2 remainder 2. And 3 is 0 remainder 2. Therefore, I can say that k is equals to, arrange it this way, so we know, equals to 2, 2, 1. Because this is in base 3 now, and k is in base 3. Therefore, k is equals to 2, 2, 1. This is question number 6 here, on the board here. If k in base 10 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2, find k. Now, we have two different bases. Now, this one is in k, in base 10 already. convert this one to base 10 and have the answer. So we can say solution. We can therefore say that k in base 10 is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. It's equals to 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Here, this is equals to 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 1, 8 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 4 plus 2 raised to the power 0, 1 times 1, 1. What we have? 12, 13 to power of 10. And we have k to power of 10. Therefore, we say that k is equals to 13 as the answer. There you have it. Question number 7. Yeah. If you look at this question here, this is base 2, what we're looking for. We're finding the value of x. So we have the whole number is 24. Convert it to base 2 first, as we've been doing. 2 into 24, 12, no remainder. 2 into 12, 6, no remainder here. 2 into 6, 3, no remainder. 2 into 3, 1 remainder 1. 2 into 1, 0 remainder 1. So 24 in base 10 to base 2 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Base 2, right? Then the fraction. 2 ways you can handle this. I'll put you through. Let me say method 1. Method 1, handling this. 0.625 multiplied by 2, we're dealing with base 2. Multiply this is going to give you, this time this 0, 10, everyone, this time this 5, 4 plus that one, 5, this time this 12, carry 1, 2 times 0, 0 plus that one, 1. Then I'm going to multiply 0.250 by 2. No, don't write this one here. Alright, don't write this one. Now this times this gives you 0, 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2 times 0 is 0. Alright. Then I have 0.5. So usual, if I can put 2 zeros here, the same thing, multiply 2 times 2 zeros, yeah, times 5, 10, carry 1, 2 times 0, 0 plus that one, 1. When you reach 1, that is the end of it. So you are here, the normal picture here is we arrange it from bottom to top with the remainders. Here, you arrange it from top to bottom. From top to bottom. So we're going to have 1, 0, 2. All right, we have 0.102 in base 2 now. Add it up to this. So we have 24, no, here, if, yes, 24.625 in base 10 is converted to 11000.101 in base 2. Therefore, we can say that x here is converted in base 2 here. So s is in base 2. S is equals to 11000.101. That's the value of x. The second method, so method 2, right? Now, rather than doing it this way, convert this decimal. I mean the decimal, this one is still the same. Convert this decimal to fraction. So we have this Directly under the point, write 1, under this 0, 0, 0. So we have 625 over 1,000. Reduce the fraction down. Let's start with 5. 5 here, 1, carry 1, into 12, 5 into 12, 2, carry 2, 25, 5. 5 here, 200, 5 into 12, I have 5, I may have 2, carry 2, 5 into 25 is 5. 5 here is 40. So I have 5 here again, 5 here, 5 over 8. All right, so convert this one to base 2. We have 5, all right, to base 2, 5 here, 2 here, 2, remainder 1, 2, 1, remainder 0, 2, 0, remainder 1. Yes, so the 5 in base 10 will give me 1, 0, 1. Now the 8 in base 10, I mean in base 2, in base 10, yeah, convert to base 2, 2, 4, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, then 2, 0, 1. All right, so I have, therefore, 5 over 8 will be equal to, are we together? Yes, 5 over 8 will be equal to 101 over 1000. If you divide it by this, you have 1, 2, 3. This gives us 0.101. The same thing with this. Yeah? This is the second method. Whichever one you find convenient, please use it. So if you add it, you're going to add this up to this one, and you get the same answer. All right.